Hey there, you're scrolling through your social media feed, minding your own business, when suddenly, a notification pops up from Acorn. It asks for your social security number. Your heart skips a beat. Do they really need this sensitive information? Hook. Today, we're diving into the world of Acorn and answering the burning question, does Acorn need your social security number? Let's find out. Understanding Acorn. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Acorn is. It's a popular personal finance app that helps you save money by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your savings without even noticing. Why would Acorn need your social security number? Now, the million-dollar question, why would Acorn need your social security number? Well, the short answer is, they probably don't. Acorn's primary function is to help you save money. They don't need your social security number to do that. In fact, providing your social security number to Acorn could be a red flag. The dangers of sharing your social security number. Let's talk about the risks of sharing your social security number. This piece of information is like a key to your financial identity. If it falls into the wrong hands, it could lead to identity theft, fraudulent activities, and other serious financial consequences. Imagine someone using your social security number to open credit cards, take out loans, or even file fraudulent tax returns. It's a nightmare scenario that can take years to rectify. Acorn's privacy policy. So, if Acorn doesn't need your social security number, why is it even asking? Well, it's possible that they're collecting more data than necessary. To be sure, let's take a look at Acorn's privacy policy. I've gone through Acorn's privacy policy, and while it's a bit lengthy, there's no explicit mention of them requiring your social security number for their core services. Red flags to watch out for. While Acorn might not be asking for your social security number directly, there are other red flags to be aware of. Suspicious emails or messages. Be cautious of any emails or messages claiming to be from Acorn that ask for your social security number or other personal information. These could be phishing attempts. Unexpected charges. If you notice any unexplained charges on your account that you can't attribute to Acorn, it's a cause for concern. Changes to your account. If you notice any unauthorized changes to your Acorn account, such as a new email address or password, it's a sign that something might be amiss. Protecting your financial information. Now that we've discussed the potential risks, let's talk about how to protect your financial information. Be vigilant. Always be on the lookout for suspicious activity on your accounts, both with Acorn and other financial institutions. Use strong passwords. Create strong, unique passwords for all of your online accounts, including Acorn. Monitor your credit report. Regularly check your credit report to look for any unauthorized activity. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect that your social security number has been compromised, report it to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and the 3 major credit bureaus. Conclusion. To summarize, Acorn does not need your social security number to provide its core services. Sharing this sensitive information could put your financial security at risk. If you're ever asked for your social security number by Acorn or any other financial institution, be cautious and question the request. Your financial well-being is worth protecting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.